beautiful. Welcome. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. On this video, I am so excited because we're going to be unboxing my Scentsy consultant package. Yes, I decided to become a Scentsy consultant. I'm telling you guys, I am just refinding myself, exploring who I am, trying new things, and getting excited all over again. So come on with me and let's unbox this and see what Scentsy has sent me as a new consultant. All right, well, I cut it into this. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Right on top, I have a welcome envelope. Welcome to the hashtag Scentsy Life. Inside of our welcome envelope, we have a coupon from Vistaprint, which is nice because I'm sure I'll be needing to make some business cards. We have a free trial for the Amy program and a little note from the owners of Scentsy. We also have a Scentsy catalog for the fall and winter catalog. It is a product training guide, so that's really awesome because I'm mostly familiar with the warmers, so I need to get all up to date on all the other essentials that Scentsy has. And the next thing is a Scentsy consultant guide. So this tells us about awards we can get. This tells us about the compensation plan and how to do parties, how much you can make on commission. So this is definitely something that I need to read up on as well. Everything is really new to me, so this is a really big adventure for me, and I'm really excited. Let's go with this. Scentsy sent me a warmer. This is a classic satin black warmer. So let's open this up. Okay, here is the dish. And here is our warmer. We have a bulb in here. Ooh, pretty. So here's the warmer that they sent me. Cute. Very plain, simple, versatile. So this can go in any room. Love it. Perfect. So yeah, you get a free warmer. So it's like a little treat yourself. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. The next thing we have in here are the fall and winter for 2020 catalogs. This does not even get launched for a few weeks, so I will have some catalogs on hand and I'm ready to start some parties. Awesome. I have some catalogs from the current month. So this is the spring and summer, and this is going to be ending really, really soon. So I got to get these catalogs out, and maybe I will make some mailers and send those out. So current catalog and future catalog. The next thing I have in here is the Scentsy Circle. This is in Luna. This smells so good. I love the smell of Luna. This Luna scent is so nice. So this is an air freshener. You hang in your car, you can hang in a locker, you can hang anywhere. But you have to make sure it's hanging. Don't like let it set on anything because it's meant to hang. I don't want it to ruin any of your surfaces, so make sure you hang this. But this is a scent circle. I have one right now in my car and I'm loving it. This package right here looks like it is ready to get sent off to space. Let's see what is in our little Space Cadet bag here. Oh my gosh. So they sent me a full bar of black raspberry vanilla. Forgot how good this smells. This smells utterly amazing. Black raspberry vanilla. Oh, so this came with an ice pack so that my waxes would not melt. So that's really nice. Because this is a huge case of testers. No wonder my box, I could smell my box from the outside. It smelled so good. Oh my god, I'm going to be smelling these like all day and all night. There's so many testers in here. Ooh, I want to smell By the Sea. Oh, okay, I want By the Sea for sure. Caramel apple craze. Oh, it smells like fall. Oh my goodness, that smells like fall. Oh, this is what I want my house to smell like. I'm going to order this one. Aloe, water, and cucumber. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Okay, that's exciting. So they sent me a hand cream. This is sea salt and avocado. Let me put this on. Oh, this is nice. Very soft. Oh, it is such a soft smell. It is a very calm. It's not overpowering. Oh, this is a really nice cream. Pink sea salt, honeydew melon, and jasmine. Ooh, this one smells awesome. If you're looking for a nice, light fragrance that's clean, ooh, I love that. That's amazing. The next thing they sent me is some order forms. So when I have a party, I can go ahead and take their order right on here. And then some join packets. So if I want anyone to consider joining or I'm excited for them to join, I can go ahead and give them a You Belong Here join packet. And then this is the coolest thing ever. I saw these online and I really wanted to order these, so I'm excited that they threw this in here. This is for the fall and winter. So this is basically like a product list of everything, and you can fold it up and mail it. And this is a really nice, convenient way to share all the products without sending a huge book in the mail. So this is awesome. So that's really, really nice. So that's everything in my starter kit. My starter kit is a little bit smaller than most people's starter kits. My sponsor held a party and used her host rewards to gift me this box so that I could become a consultant for free. So I am really excited because I got all of this for free and I'm a consultant and I am already earning commission. So I'm pretty stoked about this. Thank you so much for unboxing that with me, you guys. I had a blast and I hope you did too. I am so grateful that they sent me so many nice things so that I can grow my business and I can utilize these products and I can put my best foot forward. So I'm really, really pumped about this new journey. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me. If you guys need a Scentsy person, I am your girl. If you're interested in joining, let me know. I'll leave my website in the description box. And if you guys have questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, you guys. And until we meet again, ciao Bella.